What's up, guys? It's Chummy here with another video. It's not a pleasant day to work, but that's how it is. Today we have BMW 3 Series. We have two jobs to do with this one. One is changing the water pump. As you can see, it's a bit wobbly. I already removed 1, 2, 3 over here and one over here. 4 bolt already. It's holding with I think it's holding with 7 10 mil bolt. I've removed 4 already. This hose has to come out. This is a new part with the gasket. Most probably we had to remove EGR. You don't need to remove complete EGR off, but it's holding with the 2 bolt over here and the one over here and one in the bottom. Once we remove that bit, we can easily move the EGR side a bit. And this is the water pump. Let me remove that. I'll show you what is the problem with it. When we turn in the water pump pulley, you can see it's a bit wobbly. So it was leaking coolant from the pulley. That's the main reason we're going to do this job. Along with this, we're going to change main pulley as well. Let me grab the new part to compare before we install it. There's a gasket for, I think it's a thermostat housing gasket. Yeah, I already put the water pump. This plastic hose should go there. And I already put the EGR on and thermostat on. Everything in right order. And the main pulley, as you can see, there is a crack mark around the rubber. Basically this particular model holding with 4 E10 bolt. This is a old pulley. Oops, just missed my leg. This is the new one. quite heavy, and I'm holding my phone with one hand. I had to use other hand for the work. Yeah, it's on now. Just need to put the belt on. Done the belt, and I need to run the engine to check whether it's still leaking or not. If it's leaking, bad days, we had to do the job again. Yeah, that's it today, guys. I hope you guys enjoy or learn something, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see new videos. Yeah, I'll see you another time. Thank you.